See? So clear, so perfectly flat, and absolutely huge. But let me make it very clear. Manufacturing plate glass is anything but simple.
We can speak of use of glass. Since the time of the Egyptians 4,000 years ago, it wasn't used in construction though, but merely to enclose small objects. Later, the Romans became the master of glass making, with their method being used up until the 18th century. By the end of the 19th century, glass was no longer just a luxury item, but became a construction material as common as steel and concrete. Plate glass is made from several materials mixed of little water. These materials are shattered glass, soda ash, Glauber salt, quartz sand, dolomite, and limestone. It begins by dumping into a hopper. Pieces are recycled glass together with the raw materials. It will all be melted in a continuous stream. The mixed material goes into a gas-fed furnace. Temperature inside the furnace is 1500 degrees centigrade. It contains 1500 tons of molten glass. They used 3000 tons every day. In this regenerating chamber, combustion air is preheated to 1000 degrees. The materials of the mixed begin fusing, and the molten glass is stirred up. The homogenizer mixed glass to equalize its temperature. Pouring will be done within several hours. In the glass industry, they call this machine the top roller. The glass is poured onto a bath of liquid tin, on which it flows. As soft as toffee is molded into a ribbon. All the equipment in the tin bath is cooled with water, so it won't break from the heat. Coming out the bath, the glass is 600 degrees. The glass must again be cooled, and this unit is used to do that. This huge ribbon of glass is 3.3 meters in width. The ribbon of glass rolls gently on rollers, gradually cooling along the way. The glass is still soft. The mark we see are imprints made by the top roller. Glass is now very hard, and they proceed to cutting it. This ultra-hard tungsten carbide ruler makes long score before the glass can be cut. Now they proceed with transferring scoring, made according to the dimensions customers asked for. The scored glass separates easily. The glass strips are separated and continue along on the conveyor. These roller breakers cut the edges of the glass sheet. Leftover pieces fall to the ground and into the chute. They will later be recycled. These rubber-covered rollers can raise glass sheets to the inspection department. When they arrived for inspection, these immense glass sheets are handled with great care and are positioned upright. Now the glass sheets are handled one at a time and installed vertically. Making the glass took several days of work. It is now ready for delivery. Every day, countless such processes are repeated, solid ingredients into transparent glass. Finally, we can say goodbye to our glass and wish them do not break on the way.